Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the printer error code 0x800706ba that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and it indicates the remote procedure call server is unavailable and can typically occur when attempting to access the remote object, and the main cause of this error is broken system files. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once it open the services, and services local ay dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung print explorer services, alright? And then ito na siya. So i-select mo lang yan, and kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And next step, so pop up itong kanyang properties. So dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic, and then dito sa kanyang running, so i-click mo lang dito yung stop, and then wait natin. And next step, dito sa services status, and then i-click mo lang dito yung start, and wait natin. Then after dito, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright? So after dito sa services, and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa troubleshoot, and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, and select mo lang dito yung printer, at dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run, and wait natin. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. Okay, so run the Windows printer troubleshooter. So ang gagawin natin dito is to follow the step-by-step procedure para ma-fix yung problem or issue dito sa printer. Okay, so nandito lahat yung complete details, informations na ating gagawin. So i-follow lang mo to. Alright? So after dito sa help and support and other solution na pwede natin gawin. So same. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na DISM space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health, and then copy lang natin yan. And dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click. Select mo lang dito yung edit, and i-click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and click mo lang yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And deployment, image, and servicings, and management tool. So dito kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, the restore operations completed successfully. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, at dito lang si start menu, at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay? So i-click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix printer error code 0x800706ba problem with the printer configurations. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.